Are you looking for the best cordless impact wrenches? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best cordless impact wrenches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, BLACK+DECKER 20V Drill Driver. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Connect LD120VA Cordless Drill Driver Kit is a versatile and reliable tool designed for household repairs, DIY projects, and light construction tasks. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent performance with a maximum speed of up to 750 RPM, providing ample power for drilling into wood, metal, and plastic, as well as for driving screws with precision. The drill features a 24-position clutch that prevents overdriving and stripping screws, ensuring greater control during use. Its ergonomic soft grip handle enhances comfort and reduces fatigue during extended tasks. The kit includes a 30-piece accessory set with drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, and a magnetic bit holder, along with the battery and charger, offering everything needed for common home projects. As part of the Power Connect system, the battery is interchangeable with other BLACK+DECKER 20V tools, adding convenience and versatility. Compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, the LD120VA is an excellent all-around cordless drill for everyday use. Number 2, Ingersoll Rand 2035 Timex. The Ingersoll Rand 2035 Timex 1/2-inch drive air impact wrench is a powerful and durable pneumatic tool engineered for heavy-duty applications in automotive, industrial, and mechanical work. Delivering up to 1,250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and around 930 foot-pounds of working torque, it provides exceptional power for loosening even the toughest bolts. Despite its strength, the wrench weighs only 4.6 pounds, offering excellent balance and reduced operator fatigue during extended use. Its titanium hammer case and composite housing are designed to withstand harsh job site conditions, resisting wear, drops, and chemical exposure. Operating at speeds up to 8,500 RPM with approximately 1,220 impacts per minute, the 2235 Timex ensures fast, efficient performance. It features a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet and works best with a 3 to 80 inch air hose, making it ideal for professional pneumatic setups. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this impact wrench combines high torque, rugged construction, and lightweight handling, making it a top choice for professionals who need reliability and performance in demanding environments. Number 3, AIRCAT Pneumatic Tools. The AIRCAT 1150 1/2-inch composite impact wrench is a powerful yet lightweight pneumatic tool designed for automotive repairs, maintenance, and other heavy-duty applications. Delivering up to 900 Ft-lbs of maximum tightening torque and 1,295 Ft-lbs of loosening torque, it provides exceptional power for removing stubborn fasteners with ease. Its twin hammer mechanism produces approximately 1,400 impacts per minute, ensuring efficient and consistent performance. Despite its strength, the tool weighs only 4.5 pounds and measures about 7.5 inches in length, making it compact and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The durable composite housing, ergonomic handle, and flip lever forward-reverse control enhance comfort and usability, while the tuned exhaust system keeps noise levels low at around 86 dBA, minimizing operator fatigue. With a recommended air consumption of 8 CFM, a 1/4 inch air inlet, and a 3/8 inch air hose requirement, the AIRCAT 1150 is built for both performance and convenience. Combining high torque, reduced weight, and quiet operation, it is an excellent choice for professional mechanics and technicians seeking power, efficiency, and comfort in one reliable impact wrench. Number 4, AVID Power Impact Wrench. The AVID Power 1/2-inch drive 20V cordless impact wrench is a compact and efficient power tool designed for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and home improvement projects. Delivering up to 330 Ft-lb, 450 Nm of maximum torque, and 370 Ft-lbs of loosening torque, it provides strong performance for tightening or removing stubborn bolts and nuts. Powered by a 20V 3.0 AH lithium-ion battery, it offers long-lasting runtime and is paired with a fast charger for quick recharge between tasks. The wrench features a variable speed trigger, 0 to 2,000 RPM, for precise control, and a friction ring anvil design that ensures secure socket retention and easy socket changes. The kit includes 4 impact sockets, a durable tool bag, and the battery and charger, making it ready to use right out of the box. Compact, lightweight, and cordless, this impact wrench wrench combines portability with power, making it ideal for tire changes, construction projects, and general-purpose mechanical work. Number 5. AZZUNO Electric Impact Wrench. The AZZUNO Electric Impact Wrench is a powerful 1/2-inch brushless cordless impact driver designed for high-performance automotive and home applications. Delivering up to 737 foot-pounds, 1000 Nm of maximum torque, it easily handles stubborn bolts, lug nuts, and heavy-duty fastening tasks on cars, trucks, and machinery. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures longer life, higher efficiency, and reduced maintenance compared to brushed models. The tool offers 3 variable speed settings, up to approximately 2,400 RPM for precise control, and includes forward and reverse modes for versatile operation. The kit comes complete with 2 4.0A lithium-ion batteries, a fast charger, and impact sockets, providing extended runtime and convenience. Its ergonomic non-slip handle and built-in LED light enhance comfort and visibility during work, while the compact cordless design offers excellent mobility. Combining high torque, durable construction, and professional-grade performance, the AZZUNO Impact Wrench is ideal for both mechanics and DIY users who need a reliable battery-powered tool for demanding jobs.